Hi, I'm just going to talk a little bit about Kahoot. My idea is I want to have my students who are taking American Sign Language, level 1, grades 9 through 12, to have access to uh, Chromebooks, technology that would allow them to play this game. What I'm trying to figure out is how to, when I go into Kahoot, to create my own quiz, see how, like, the pieces are there, like I can fill that in. But over here, I'm trying to figure out, instead of just loading an image, I want to load an actual sign. They do have still pictures, like, say, the letter D. Um, it's fine for that, but if I wanted to add how to put like a video in where you're actually signing, like, say, the color blue, I want to show that and then let the kids all play it with an actual live little video clip. Now, when I searched it on the Google YouTube, this lady was talking about actually inserting a piece of video. So she's actually doing a video that's already been created or uploaded to YouTube. So that's something I could do with Screen-O-Matic. What I was doing was I went on to lynda.com. I looked up this gentleman's spot about how to engage students in Kahoot. And it's all very doable. I would just like to make it a video of actual people actually signing and then putting those options in there for students to see even different signers. But I haven't quite figured that out. And I've done some internet searching, and I have not come across the capacity of being able to do that, because I'm aware of, that's a game, but maybe the other avenue I could select is actually using, like, what they call Google Buzz, and it's still through Google, but okay, sorry about that. I just kind of got ahead of myself. But I was talking a little bit about this is the Kahoot game, and the person that's going through this, she's got the actual video piece that she's putting in there for her students. What I want to do is come up with some type of a tool, Screen-O-Matic, something that allows me to get students involved in the game, or taking a quiz, or allowing me to give them some good feedback alongside when they're signing. Possibly I could stop when they're signing. There's a program called Go React, and that one is right here. Hold on, let me just stop the recording. So like I was saying, there's this program called Go React, but there's a fee incorporated with it. But along the side of videoing yourself, you can stop the video and make comments, or via text, or actually signed comments as you're going along. Okay, so that's why I was trying to figure out what would be a good thing. See, this particular product that's available out there, I'm just trying to figure out how I can make it available for my students and I. And like he's talking about here, really, you do learn more by seeing it visually. My students who are using the signing, it's just another good feature to have for students to learn.